This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, March 17th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 460 to 472, 8 to 900 486 to 508, 7 to 800 544 to 586, 6 to 700 599 to 639, 5 to 600 722 to 737, 4 to 500 765 to 825, 3 to $409 to $950. Heifers 900 plus 422 to 425, 8 to 900 474 to 484, 7 to 800 493 to 520, 6 to 700 550 to 584, 5 to 600 605 to 629, 4 to 500 660 to 680, 3 to 400 720 to 830. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Last week, on a cash-to-cash basis, Alberta Fed prices were trading at a $1 premium against the Nebraska market, the strongest basis since June 2023. Maybe not surprising, with stronger basis levels and fewer Canadian fed cattle likely being shipped into Hiram, Utah due to the strike at Greeley, Colorado, Canadian fed cattle exports have slowed to a crawl. The one positive, Western Canadian packers have been running lighter hours, and there is room to boost slaughter rates. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 227 to 251, D3 cows 210 to 225. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 242 to 265. In the U.S., there is no new trade report, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start at around 240 on a live basis. Show list volumes are larger in the southern feeding states and smaller in the north. The all-fresh beef retail price for the month of February was at $9.64 a pound, up 18 cents per pound from January. Retail beef prices are 18% higher than last year and did establish new record highs. Retail pork prices have struggled relative to the beef market. From January to February, retail pork prices did decline. Retail pork prices have generally chopped sideways over the past 12 months. National Bona cows averaged $313.09 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning is trading at 73.07, down 5 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: April 234.07 up 82, June 232.35 47, August 230.15 up 47. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.